Step into everyday sound with Uake replacement ear tips for AirPods Pro. Crafted in soft silicone with 3 sizes and a dust guard, they seal in clarity, cut out noise, and stay put even during workouts. The built-in noise reduction holes mirror the originals, while the snug, seamless fit keeps charging case compatibility intact. Comes with a neat storage box and a reassuring 1-year warranty. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Upgrade your AirPods Pro experience with Centurion 4 pair replacement ear tips. These soft silicone tips come in sizes XS to XL, keep fit and stability without interfering with charging or sensing, and feature 2 noise reduction holes to mute external sound while preserving your original audio. Precise cutting and non-slip design mean long-lasting comfort even during extended use, and the included storage box protects every tip. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. If you value comfort and clarity, these Bose earpads feel like a brand new podcast listening experience. Crafted with soft protein leather and thicker memory foam, they wrap your ears for all-day comfort, boost sound quality, and quietly block out ambient noise. Replacement takes only 3 to 5 minutes with no tools required, so your favorite headphones feel fresh again. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Experience studio-grade comfort with SoloWhip professional earpads for your Bose QC35 and QC35 II. Crafted in high-density foam and premium leather, these cushions seal softly around your ears for superior noise isolation and deeper, cleaner bass. Installation is quick and straightforward, with scrims and a handy plastic stick included to have you listening again in minutes. Upgrade your 21st century headphones with a feel that's practically a new dress for your investment. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Experience listening elevated with replacement earpads built for Bose classics. Crafted in premium soft leather with thick memory foam, they seal out noise and deliver lasting comfort for long hours of music, calls, or podcasts. Slim, dust-proof scrim mats shield the speakers while keeping airflow for pristine sound. Quick, effortless installation means you'll be back to tunes in moments, with clear L and R alignment and a snug, secure fit. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Experience superior comfort without compromise with LinkDream Soft Protein Leather Replacement. Earpads for your Bose QC35 range. These memory foam cushions hug your ears, banishing fatigue and seal out noise while preserving the original, rich sound you love. Easy to install in seconds, they stay securely in place and feel like the real thing. Built to last, they come with scrims and a guide, plus a full year of after-sales support. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. These replacement ear tips are the perfect upgrade for your AirPods Pro, offering a seamless fit with 4 sizes for all-day comfort and a secure, slip-free feel. Experience enhanced noise isolation without compromising sound thanks to dual acoustic vents that cut ambient noise while preserving clarity. Each tip protects against dust and moisture with a smart dual-layer filter, and the included cleaning pen keeps your ears and buds pristine. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment.